Good luck, Uber.
Please use grammar. It is what is he going to get?
No, don't, wait, hold up. Don't freak out. The strange flamethrowers were some, oh, strange. CB, let me check your backpack. Yeah, it's private.
Yeah, nice unbox. Yeah, syringe gun not so good.
We speak like
Another
cavemen because we stupid fucks. Don't know what the fuck grammar is, you know?
Wow. Oh, that sucks.
That sucks.
You should have stopped at the medigun.
Oh, pocket pier, or per.
That's not bad.
It's not bad.
Another one.
It seems I am not the only spy.